See if
What's
your
in
coat
it?
fits you. Did you try it yet?
What do you think it is, bro?
You
What do
might
you
need
think
to
it
wear
is?
a warmer
What
coat
is it?
today.
Mittens.
Yeah.
You
It
could
could work with a
button?
vest.
Alan, do you want to try this coat
Mittens?
on?
I want to see
mittens?
the
Mittens?
Oh, you think it's a
Alan,
mittens?
could you try the coat? Not yet.
I'm gonna pull it out for you.
Oh,
It's a
how nice.
hat, just like mine.
Try it on,
Put
Luke.
it on.
It
Put
looks
it on.
handsome.
Try it
I
on,
love
buddy.
it.
Put it on.
For the
Yeah.
park, when we go to the park. Great idea.
So you stay nice and warm.
Does it fit?
All
right.
Handsome.
Handsome.
It covers his ears all.
All right, buddy.
I
I
have
like
another
it.
one too. Merry Christmas to Kate. Love, Melissa.
Oh,
Yes.
Look, I'm gonna
Let's
open
see. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Good.
Hey, Browington.
it for Lulu.
Thank you.
Luke's gonna set up the manger scene now.
Look, we're gonna